Hey, what's up, guys? Got a brand new video trade breakdown on gold trade, and then we'll do your USD as well. So let's go to the 1 minute and see what we have right here. Or actually, start with the 5 minute. You can see that gold has been going up potentially. We have tagged into a higher time frame demand right here. You can see induced these lows. We had a 5 minute chalk flip as well right there. So everything was looking good. Had a chalk flip, had a retest. So we showed that we have bullish momentum. We even break above this potential high. So we're looking for is continuation buys, potentially towards this supply area, which was left from NFP, the high after NFP from Monday. So now we're simply looking for prices come into any of our demands. This one market and this one market. Prices potentially come in here. We can see that we had inducing these lows, which was built up liquidity for us, which was a very good thing, extra confirmation as always. Then we drop down to the 1 minute and we look for simple entry confirmation. So what I simply saw was we had the break of the low here, you sweep this low, then you break this high. Very nice entry model right here. My entry was 2024.15, stops was simply the low. My target was 2039, 3039 or something. But I TP'd a little bit earlier. I TP'd at 2036.5 because we had that wick up right here, and then I, like my TP got missed by half a pip or like 0.3 pip because 2038.5 was my initial TP to cover spreads. Didn't hit it, so I just closed it manually to be sure. Obviously, it did go later to TP, but it is what it is. So very clean continuation buy, as you can see. Very simple setup. As you guys know, I always trade the same setup. It's always going to be the same. So that's simply it, right? Now let's go to the Euro USD setup. So let me pull up another chart real quick. The Euro USD trade was also the same. I can show you. Firstly, let's start on the 5 minute. So what we saw on the 5 minute is we were in an area of supply right here, right? We had this supply zone right here. Obviously, we did sweep the highs first. Then what we had was price actually induced a high, but we have this nice 5 minute supply here as well. So you can see we had tagged into there after sweeping the highs. But what we saw was we had induced a high here once again, had a 5 minute chop flip. So on the retest of this supply, I was looking for potential sells, right? And once price tagged in, I'm looking for sells. So what I simply waited for is for price. Obviously, we had here the purge of the highs, then we had the break of the lows. So this is where I took my market entry. Stops to be this high, very simple. And then TP was actually the demand zone right here. Obviously, I closed a little bit earlier. I think I closed at like 6:15 because I passed my challenge account. You can see it's 7.5 hour. I don't know exactly where I closed, but my target would have been obviously this area of demand right here. You can see we have a nice area of demand here. I don't even know if price ever came there yet, so apparently price did not come here anyway. But you can see 7 hour trade, very very nice, clean and like easy trade. You can see the price came into that demand. It swept the low of yesterday as well. So yeah, that was simply the trade. It was a very simple trade. Again, always the same trade. You have supply demand, you have the 1 minute chocolate confirmation model, and that's simply how I trade. So those are the trades. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.